actually.
Good. Oh, close. Okay. Yay! What's next? Oh, okay. Yay! Oh, boy. Yay! Oh, okay.
Simon, you should do some too. Can you do it?
Yay! Oh, oh, oh!
He's having too much fun with the wolf now. He doesn't want to do it himself.
Yeah.
Set it up for him.
Yay! Now slip it on in. Yay! That one goes there, Simon. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can. Oh, all right. Yay! You do it. That's the last one. Oh. Yeah! It took way too long though.